Yes, it is a very fast-paced development. In the last few days, when we saw in the media that the Hnlc want to talk with the government and they want that the government should appoint the interlocutor to carry forward the talk. So immediately yesterday, the Honorable Chief Minister has held the meeting. In that meeting, we welcome this development, these steps, and Chief Minister has briefed the press yesterday that we want to take this step forward, but as the government, we want a formal communication from Hnlc. After they got this statement from our Honorable Chief Minister, then today they sent a letter to the Honorable Chief Minister, copy to the Deputy Chief Minister and the Home Minister, that they reiterating that they want that the peace talk should start and the appointment of interlocutor should start so that the process could begin. So we from the government, after getting this formal communication, we will communicate to the government of India. And as the Honorable Chief Minister has already mentioned to you yesterday, that the process of identifying the interlocutor has already started. So we hope in a few days we will able to carry this forward, this development forward.
So if this